Hey, welcome back to another Gmail tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to create your own new Gmail account for free, and to be honest, very easy and to the step by step. First, all you have to do is make sure to go to Gmail. First, you're going to write Gmail into your Google and go to Gmail. Search as you search Gmail and click on Gmail on Google. As you reach out to Gmail, that will be gmail.google.com. So you have to wait for a second for it to process. And I'm already in an account, so I'll just go out and make sure to sign out from here. So I get out of this website. So I'll go for another Gmail. So we wait for the sign out, and in here you can see we have to click on use another account in case if you are already logged in with another account, and click on this option called create account. Click on it and click if you want to create for your child or for yourself, or you either want to manage your business. So in case it's a personal account for now, we're gonna for myself. And here, select any particular name you want to add. For example, we go the call the mocks, or we're gonna go for easy one, but this call mocks would be easy. So we're gonna call mocks 009988. We're gonna see if it works out. And it seems perfect. So we're going to select a password, call mocks 112233. We're going to confirm it, call mocks 112233. We're going to see the password is perfect. So call mocks is missing. We're going to click on next. And when you click on next, it will ask you for your country name or your phone number. So we're going to change the country. And make sure to select a country that you want to choose and add a number if you want to do that. So we're gonna go for it and select number and write down the recovery email. So for that we go for my own email for currently tagschooling@gmail.com. So that would be very much easy. And again, we're gonna click on any month we want to add. We're gonna for January 1st 2001, so we're gonna keep it 2000. That would be easy. We're gonna say mail, whatever you are, and click on next. That way it will ask for your permission. You will say I agree, and as you agree, it will process for some time, and let's see what happens. If your account is created, it will write down that you are successfully account created. If in doubt, it will ask give you a code on your phone number that you have to agree with. And boom, so your account is being processed and you are in. So you have made successfully a Google account. So it's a call mocks. You have a Gmail. You can see you can either compose email from here, click on composing. You can add an email from here. You send anyone. So that was very easy and very quick way. So you can either add an image if you want to. So that was very easy on how to create your own Gmail account in just 3 to 4 minutes. If you think this video is for you, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.